What's up, buddies? Well, guess what? I just got back from the forest. Today, I went for a walk a bit earlier. And you know what? Remember that super cool remote control from the other day? I got it. And I've got it here. Yes, it's at home. I'm going to keep playing a bit, okay? Oh, hey. Hey, where you going? What's going on? I think it's a bit broken. You, stop right there. Oh, phew. Thank goodness. But, oh, it's super cold. Come on. I can't believe you chose from the peak of the frozen mountains from all the landscapes you had. I'm going to freeze here. The question, what should you wear for this occasion? Okay, again, what should I wear? Okay? Yeah, we need to find the answers fast because it's very cold. Okay, let's do it. And remember, should is a word we use to refer things that are likable to be done. Okay? Throw me the words. I'm freezing. Okay, here they are. Come on, help me to find I should wear. We need to find those words. I should wear. Yes. Here, next to me. Okay, I've got one. Should wear. Should. Yes, should there. Great. And, oh no. What? What's going on? I don't like that beep. Okay. Oh, yes, it's true. I see. It says shouldn't. Yes, it's the same as should not. My bad. I'm sorry. That's not the word we're looking for. Should is the one we're looking for. Not shouldn't. So should. Yes, here. And where? Yes, up there. Okay, I should wear. The tough part. Can you see anything we can wear for this occasion? Like a vest, a sweater, pants, boots? Come on. A vest. Yes, a vest. Great. What else? A sweater. Okay, and I need something else. A swimsuit? Seriously? Come on. Let's just try to find a coat. Coat. Yes, down here. Great. I turned the channel before I turned out into a penguin. It's super cold in here. Come on, goodbye.
Compra nuestros cuadernos y aprende desde donde quieras. Tienes un método súper intuitivo y fácil público en nuestra web. Solo tienes que seguir el orden de las imágenes, ver nuestros vídeos donde jugamos con gramática y sobre todo hacer las actividades con nuestro equipo. De esta manera, tus hijos nunca más harán los deberes solo y sobre todo aseguras que aprenden gramática de una manera natural. La mejor manera de practicar inglés desde casa.
Welcome. Okay. The number 10th activity, okay? The number 10. So, what should I wear? Remember, should means that something is recommendable to be done. Like this boy here, you should get a coat, boy. It's super cold. And see that, again, the options we are should, that I'm going to paint like this. SHOULD and maybe I can use, yes, I think that I'm going to take the yellow pen and paint like with a bit like circles. I think that looks nice, right? Yay, I love it. I really like it. Looks nicer. I shouldn't, this is the first option, and the other option is I should. Okay? So, if we are clear that something is recommendable to be done, we use should. But if we don't think so, we say shouldn't. Okay? So let's go and keep painting with circles so it looks lighter, right? It brings light to the worksheet. Great. Okay, but let's read the instruction of the activity. The question: find what of the following clothes are recommended clothes to wear for a winter trip. Winter, guys, winter, not summer this time. So we need to go for it and think carefully. I should or I shouldn't take a raincoat for a winter trip. Raincoat, where's the raincoat? Here. Raincoat. I should. Yes, I should. I should. Because in winter it's very probable that we find rain, okay, or a rainy day. So I should take a raincoat. Then a pair of sandals. The sandals are here. And now for this winter trip, do you think that is something recommended to wear if I go for a winter trip? No, I don't think so. So it shouldn't. And this time I'm just going to do it in a different writing font. Shouldn't. Great. Now what about the rainy boots? Nice. Rainy boots. What do you think? I should take rainy boots? Sorry, I should or I shouldn't? If it's a winter trip. I should, yes. I would say so. For a rainy day or for like a cold season, right? It's better to go prepared. So I should take my rainy boots. Then let's go for the swimsuit. This is the swimsuit. And what do you think? I should take a swimsuit or I shouldn't take a swimsuit if I go for a winter trip? Oh, come on. Sure, I have options to take my swimsuit and use it. But the most common thing would be to think that we shouldn't. Okay, so I shouldn't. It's not like super necessary for a winter trip. If I go to the mountains, I go to ski, I don't need a swimsuit, okay? Then let's go for thin sweaters. Okay, thin sweaters. Thin sweaters. All right. So what about this? For a winter trip, like maybe it's cold, and most probably thing is that it will be cold. So do you think that we should or I should take my thin, remember thin? Not thick, the inside is not thick but thin. Should I take my thin sweaters or shouldn't I? I think that it's better to take thick sweaters, okay? It's better to take thick sweaters. And these are the thin ones and these are the thick ones, yes? So I'm going to say that I shouldn't take, yes, I shouldn't take thin sweaters, even though maybe we need one, two as a second layer to wear it under the thick ones, okay? But with this context, it's better to just write I shouldn't take thin sweaters, but I should take thick sweaters, okay? I should take the thick ones. I should. Yes, these two are a bit tricky, and see that, yeah, maybe you should also take thin sweaters to wear them as a second layer, okay? But if we are thinking about a very cold winter trip, better to say I should take thick sweaters for sure, and I shouldn't take thin sweaters just in case, so you won't get sick. Goodbye!